YouTube family, when you look at this chicken, you think Popeyes or you think Church's Chicken, but this is neither one. This is Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill fried chicken. But I want to show you how to do it. But before I do, listen to this, y'all. Family, we're gonna fry up some chicken real quick, y'all. So look, I got 3 thighs and 2 legs in that bowl right there. So the first things I want to do is I want to do a marinade. So I'm gonna fill this up with some water, just enough to cover the chicken up. Now I'm gonna take some of this adobo seasoning with Himalayan salt and just add it, just enough. You can eyeball this according to how you like it. Now I want to take me some black pepper and toss it on in. Now I'm using some garlic powder. Give it more flavor, especially that garlicky flavor that we're looking for. And I just want to take just a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. Why not? The last thing I want to add is some Texas Pete hot sauce. You can use your favorite hot sauce. That's all I want to do, y'all. And I want to give this a good little mix. Now this right here is what our marinade is looking like right now. So you can let this sit for about 2 hours or to overnight. Overnight, you're going to get better flavor. So let's go. All right, with our 5 pieces of chicken, we're going to use some of this here cornstarch. We got all-purpose flour. You just want to put in just a little bit of this here cornstarch. It's going to add a little crunchiness to our chicken. Now for seasoning salt, I'm going to use some of this golden herb salt. This is definitely going to add flavor to it. Again, I'm just going on feel about how much seasoning I want to put in. I'm listening to my ancestors. Don't get offended when I say that. Then we're going to toss in some black pepper. We also going to use some white pepper. Then we're going to put in a touch of paprika. Just a touch will do. Then we're going in with that garlic powder. And we're going in with that onion powder. Just a hint of cayenne pepper for spiciness. Then we're also going to use some celery seed. Just toss it in. Just let the celery seed work for you. And then just a touch of sugar, just a touch. That'll work. Now this right here is totally optional, y'all. You don't have to use this, but I'm going to use it because it's going to give me a little bit more flavor. I'm just going to add just a little bit in there because all we have is about 5 pieces of chicken. Let's go. I'm just going to mix everything up. And then you can smell the smell of this here, y'all. She is ready to make it do what it do. So we're going to take our chicken and dredge it into this here seasoned flour, and we want to coat up each piece just as well as we can. And don't forget to get in between that skin, y'all. Get some of that flour in between that skin because this is where we're going to find that crispiness at. You understand what I'm saying? And then we're going to drop it into that hot oil at 365 degrees. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I got the chicken legs in there. It's only 2, so I just put them in there. But then these are the thighs. And you can see how that skin is looking, all crispy. I like that batter. Beautifully golden chicken, golden. That's some crispy fried chicken right there. Look at the blister in that skin. Let you know she did good. That's that Ray Mack's Kitchen, baby. All right, I'll be right back. Listen, you don't have to double dip this chicken to make it crunchy. All you have to do is just follow my steps. And I got a video coming for these here ribs, y'all. I put them on the pellet smoke, and I'm telling you, if you try this recipe, you're definitely going to love it. That recipe is coming in the future, along with those peas and corn in the back, jazzing it up Ray Mack style.